Are you considering KingVPN, but unsure if it's the right choice for you? Let's break down 12 things you need to know before making the purchase and help you decide if it's a good fit compared to other top VPN providers. First off, KingVPN promises fast and secure internet access, but how does it actually perform? It offers decent speeds for browsing and streaming, but it's not the fastest out there. Services like NordVPN and ExpressVPN consistently top speed tests, while KingVPN's performance can vary based on server location and load. Next thing to consider is its security. KingVPN uses AES 256 encryption, which is industry standard and considered extremely secure. This is on par with competitors like CyberGhost and Surfshark, so your data is protected, but it's always worth checking the specifics of any VPN security protocol. The third thing to note is server coverage. KingVPN has servers in over 40 countries, which is decent, but it's far behind the major players like ExpressVPN or NordVPN, which offer servers in over 90 countries. This can affect your ability to access geo-restricted content around the world. The fourth thing is KingVPN's ease of use. It has a simple interface, so it's beginner-friendly. If you're used to other VPNs like ProtonVPN, you might find KingVPN's setup process a bit less polished, but it's still straightforward enough for those new to VPNs. The fifth thing to keep in mind is pricing. KingVPN offers competitive prices, but when you compare it to other affordable options like Surfshark, it doesn't always offer the same value for money. You'll get what you pay for, but premium features might be lacking unless you upgrade. Next, let's talk about streaming. While KingVPN works well for general browsing and torrenting, it has a mixed reputation when it comes to streaming. Popular services like Netflix, Hulu, or BBC iPlayer may not always be available, unlike competitors such as NordVPN, which has dedicated servers for streaming. The seventh thing is customer support. KingVPN offers 24/7 customer support via live chat and email, which is standard in the industry, but it's not as responsive as top-tier providers. If you're looking for fast and knowledgeable responses, other providers like ExpressVPN and CyberGhost tend to shine in this area. The eighth thing is its no logs policy. KingVPN claims it doesn't log user data, which is a good sign for privacy. However, this is a claim you'll want to verify by reading through their privacy policy and keeping an eye on any potential data sharing issues. Next thing is the device compatibility. KingVPN supports a wide range of devices, from Windows and Mac to iOS and Android, as well as routers. But if you plan to connect many devices at once, you might run into some limitations when compared to competitors like Surfshark, which offers unlimited device connections. The 10th thing is the kill switch feature. KingVPN includes a kill switch, but it's only available on certain apps and can be a bit glitchy. Many leading VPNs, including NordVPN and ExpressVPN, offer a more stable and universal kill switch across all devices. The 11th thing to keep in mind is the trial and refund policy. KingVPN offers a 7-day money-back guarantee, but it's not as flexible as some competitors that offer 30-day guarantees. If you're unsure, it's always a good idea to try the VPN before committing fully. Finally, KingVPN offers a solid service with a strong focus on security and speed, but it's not the best option for heavy streamers or those who need ultra-fast connections. If you're looking for a more comprehensive service with more servers, faster speeds, and better customer support, there are definitely better options out there. KingVPN is a good choice if you're looking for a budget-friendly VPN with solid security. However, if you want a better option, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.